Okay, I'm going to read the question because it just made me smile so much. And it's blatantly not talking about me, it's talking about you, but I just loved it. Okay, so how do I encourage my girlfriend to be as badass as you and start riding? I love this because we need more girls out there riding. Now, I
Right.
guess I'm going to jump straight in on this. It is intimidating. They are big bikes. It is a male dominated sport. A lot of sports are male dominated, so it's just the way it is. But I think my advice for a boyfriend, partner, husband wanting to get their other half into riding is really about nurturing that and making it something that's really enjoyable for them. Not that, get rid of the egos and the like doing wheelies next to them and pissing around with their baits. Be there with them, learning with them, teaching them. And if you invest the time into them now and help them really develop their riding, you'll be off riding around with the lads together later down the line. But right now, what you need to do is help coach them, teach them, have patience, understand that it is different for a small girl riding on these big bikes. It's not the same. And I think that you sort of I think a big one that would be a recommendation if it links to if you feel like you fall off all the time, you're worried about getting hurt, could be actually getting them into trials. It's a lot slower. It's a cheaper investment because generally in trials you don't wear all of the protective gear. You could wear mountain boots and hiking boots and a helmet, and you'd be okay starting on trials. You can work on all of those foundations of balance and clutch controls and build their confidence. Be in it together and enjoy it. Really, I think the ego and the ladness just kind of put that away. And if you can't put that away when you're around your mates, then have some dedicated time riding the two of you. But the time you invest now will be like epic riding later. Just think of that. Short
Yeah,
term, long term.
I totally agree. I mean, if you put someone in over their head all the time and make it super scary and make it
Yeah.
seem really daunting, and it's not going to be fun for them. And I, from personal experience, when I first started, I remember I met some people at school that rode, okay, and they were guys and they raced in the local off-road circuit. And this is when I still rode the TTR 125, and I remember being absolutely petrified that they were going to take me on a single track. Like, I would be saying constantly, like, please don't lead me down something I can't do. Please don't lead me down something I can't do. And so when I'm teaching someone, I feel like you gotta give them confidence that they can trust you, where you're leading them and where you're taking them, and then push them just a little bit so they can have little successes. And when you start to have success, whether it's really small or really big, you gain confidence. And then with confidence, you ride better and you progress more quickly. So you just have to be patient and don't do something stupid. Don't be like, it's easy, and take them on a double black and be like, well, if you can't hang, you're a turd. I mean, we all make mistakes. Nobody's perfect, but you have to give them, make it so they can trust you, and so they're not scared all the time, because then it's not
Yeah.
fun.